Okay, here's an explanation how it works. By it, I mean GPT compression, overall insights retrieval, and text categorization based on Hypercampus, the algorithm I designed and trademarked. So to show it, because it works on device, it works on probably any CPU, anything. You can just copy a text. It's just a regular a BBC article about AI washing. So when you copy just a fragment of text, not the full one, and you give it to the script, it just retrieves the most relevant amounts of text elements and simply highlighted it. And in this case, yeah, it doesn't really tell us much, but you have a full text, something that I copy and paste. Here are highlighted elements, just so we can see what algorithm find particularly useful. Here are the tags, the most important tags that has been retrieved, and here's a compressed content. So if, for instance, the first few paragraphs, if you want to summarize or want to keep in your database, basically what you do is that you use it only those elements and asking ChatGPT or any other LLM to write you a summary. And we made a test, I made a test, and in general, you don't have to store all the text, just so you can understand the context, and so LLMs could retrieve the actual factual informations. It's obviously compressed and it's lossy compression. Nevertheless, you can see how it behaves, and you can easily use it to convey the meaning, the context, and all the most important informations about what this specific article is about. So when we do something else, let me just show it. When we do something else and actually copy the full article, because it's about AI washing, and we haven't get a lot of AI washing from the first element. So, all right, when we do it, we have a little bit different highlights. There's a little bit more of them, and an actual retrieving tags is AI washing firms and AI. And here you have a compressed content flow. So this is how the content is going, and that's the timeline. And you can always ask ChatGPT to do something for you, like for instance summarization, tag retrievals, or anything. So you don't have to always store the full content, especially when you're trying to decide which content should go into content authority, or for instance context. If you want to retrieve specific information, you can either rely on highlights or just for instance pick the right content based on tags. So for context and RAG retrieval augmentation, you don't always have to have the full documents. You can always pick specific one, or just take some highlights. And it was done on a laptop working on battery currently, Microsoft Surface, in 26 milliseconds. So yeah, it's blazingly fast. Allows you to compress content, retrieve not only insights, but also tags and meaningful informations, but also providing you the full chronology of the most important things that has been going on throughout the text.